Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Hope everyone is doing very well today. And we are going to speak about a topic that could really enhance your ketogenic lifestyle and diet and help you with your mindset and keeping positive from day to day. And that is keeping a success jar. Yes, you heard it right. Keeping a success jar. Your daily motivation for keto success. Embarking on the ketogenic lifestyle and diet is an incredible journey, whether you're just starting out or you've been committed for quite a while. It's a path filled with challenges, as we well know, victories, and everything in between. As you navigate through this lifestyle, it's essential to keep your motivation high and your mindset positive. One simple but powerful tool to help you stay on track is the success jar. Now, what is a success jar? Well, a success jar is exactly what it sounds like. It's a jar where you keep and collect and store your successes. Each time you experience a victory, big or small, you write it down on a piece of paper and place it in the jar. Over time, this jar becomes a treasure trove of positive reinforcement, a physical reminder of how far you've come on your keto journey. Now, why should you keep a success jar? Well, number one, it boosts motivation. When you start the ketogenic diet and lifestyle, you're likely full of energy and excitement at the beginning. But as with any lifestyle change, there will be days when you feel like your progress is too slow or the challenges are too great. On those days, your success jar becomes your go-to resource. It's a visual and tangible reminder of every win, every pound lost, every sugar craving you overcame. These little pieces of paper aren't just notes. They're proof of your determination and ability to succeed. Number two, a success jar encourages your reflection. One of the most powerful aspects of the success jar is the opportunity it provides for reflection. After a month or a few months, take some time to go through the notes in your jar. You'll be amazed at the number of victories that you have accumulated. This reflection can be incredibly empowering, helping you to recognize patterns of success and areas where you might need to adjust your approach. And number three, a success jar strengthens resilience. The keto lifestyle isn't always easy, and setbacks, as we know, can occur. But by consistently adding to your success jar, you build resilience. You train your brain to focus on the positives and to see challenges as opportunities for growth. When you review your successes, you'll be reminded that you've faced difficulties before and come out stronger on the other side. This mindset is key to your long-term success, not just on keto, but in all areas of your life. Now, you might ask how to start your success jar. Well, starting a success jar is simple and can be done with minimal supplies. First off, find a jar. Any jar will do, a mason jar, an old cookie jar, or even a decorative vase like I have right here. This is my success jar. See? Very, very nice. Choose something that speaks to you and makes you feel inspired. Also, keep pen and paper handy and available. Place a small notepad and pen next to your jar. This makes it easy to jot down your successes as they happen. Be specific. When writing down your success, be as specific as possible. Instead of just writing, "Stayed on keto today," write something like, "Successfully resisted the office donuts and chose a keto-friendly snack instead." The more detailed your notes, the more meaningful they'll be when you review them later. Also, review your success jar notes on a regular basis. Set aside time to go through your success jar, whether it's once a week, once a month, or whenever you are feeling low. Taking the time to reflect on your progress can be a powerful motivator for you. Now, let's talk about successes to celebrate on keto. I'll give you some examples. You're not sure what to put in your jar? Well, here are some examples. Sticking to your keto plan for an entire week. That's a success. Losing 1 to 2 pounds during the week. That's another success. Trying and loving a new keto recipe is another success. For example, losing inches off your waistline. A non-scale variable is a success. Saying no to a high-carb temptation is another example. Educating a friend or family member about keto, that's another success. So, here are my final thoughts and conclusions about success jars. The keto lifestyle is a journey, not a destination, everybody. And like any journey, it's important to celebrate the milestones along the way. By keeping a success jar, you give yourself a powerful tool to stay motivated, reflect on your progress, and build the resilience we need to achieve your goals. So grab a jar and start filling it with your successes. Your future self will thank you. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. And please leave any comments or questions you have below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for doing that. Again, this has been Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. And we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.